Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host from the TV series Home Time. Well, it's that time of year again. A time of year when sneezing, itchy eyes, headaches, sore throats, ear infections can all come on fast. Certain times of year can be debilitating for some people. You miss school, work, and life can be miserable. Did you know a big part of it could be the indoor air you breathe? According to the Environmental Protection Agency, unhealthy indoor air can trigger infections, fever, flu, bronchitis, even chronic asthma. You know, the air may look okay, but if you could see what's floating around and what's on every surface, you'd cringe. So what can you do about it? Well, you clean the air inside your home. Here are some products that I recommend to clean, deodorize, and disinfect your home naturally. Replace your traditional air filter with a polarized media air cleaner. This advanced air cleaner captures up to 97% of particles and allergens in the air, including pet dander, pollen, and mold. Next, ultraviolet or UVC lamps slow the growth of mold and destroy harmful bacteria and viruses like the flu that are in the air and on surfaces. And this, a whole home HEPA filter. Now this is going to remove 99.97% of particles in the air, clearing out smoke, dust, pollen, and pet dander. Best thing is, all of these products can be easily installed in most homes. If you'd like more information on better indoor air for your home, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.